Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I hope everyone is safe and sound. Everyone, in this video I will show you how you can add multiple pictures into single PDF form, which makes it easier to send it to other persons. Now let's get started to our video. Uh, First of all, download an application called Image to PDF. You can find it in the Play Store, and I will also provide this link in a description. Now open PDF, click on the plus sign, add pictures you want to send. Now import them. Here you can make changes, like if you want to remove extra portion from the sheet, you can also turn them. Now down here you can adjust their enhancement, brightness. Also they have many different enhances, effects. You can also apply according to your need. Now done it. Guys, you can also change the pattern here if you are not satisfied with it. Now convert it to PDF. Now your pictures are ready. Now as you can see, these all are in the form of PDF. You can also see the quality here. I mostly use this app for my work. I hope guys this was very helpful to you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us. Thank you very much.